Pretty exciting moment happening right now for Dash Off-Road and 4x4 DNA, because these roller doors right here will soon be our new home. So anyone familiar with South Australia, we are at 7 Bellchambers Road, Edinburgh North. This is it. Meeting the agent here any minute. And yeah, basically 4x4 DNA, Dash. Like all of that's Dash, all of that's 4x4 DNA. I can't wait. The next month, I don't know how to do it actually. We're going to move everything here and trade at the same time. It's going to be a bit of a logistical challenge, but my wife was an event planner, so she can help us. As soon as this guy rocks up and cans the keys over, I'll show you around. Man, when you put it in this perspective, it looks huge, eh? You can see the signs just above those doors. I've been visualising them for quite some time. Oh, here's Sharon. Sharon loves it when I don't warn her and put the camera in her face. Oh, you're even in uniform. You excited?
Yes.
Me too. This is it. I barely slept for like 3 days, and I've just been thinking about the size and dimensions of this joint. What am I going to put here? What am I going to put against the window? How big a racking? And in my head it was so much bigger than what it is. It's still big, don't get me wrong. Like, you know, I'm going to fit a lot of space. I think it's 10 meters in depth, and I don't remember how long, but it's pretty big. Big roller door here for Dash. I'm going to come out. There's the recycling depot right there. I don't know if that's good or a bad thing. It's going to get rid of a lot of our cardboard. And then we'll fill up this place as well. Man, there's going to be some wicked parties up here on the mezzanine, I reckon. That is going to be so good. It's filthy, but what do you expect? Turns out the last tenant here, like it was a caravan place, and it all burnt down, so they've like replaced everything new. It's all brand new. Who knows what we're going to do with this space? Bit of a view of the recycling depot. Yep, that's exciting. But yeah, so hoists in here, bathroom down there, and then I'll show you the showroom. If you've been watching my vlogs, you've probably seen a bit of this. I'm not going to sleep tonight at all. I don't know, what can we put under the stairs? That's not that exciting. Bathroom. This will be somewhat of a showroom. Turn the lights on. Work out what we're going to do here. And then I guess this will be like an office space on this side. And where the lights are there. Oh, here they are, I think. Oh yeah. Little kitchenette in there. There's so much you could do in this space, and like, I guess you want to do it right the first time, but how far do you go? Like, you know, we probably stretched a little bit to get this joint, but you know, racking, signage. I want to get some massive signage up here, I think. My brain has been like racing on this joint. Tomorrow night we're going to have a bit of a slab party. Get Steve and the other guys down here to, I don't know, come and check the place out. It's going to be cool. Oh, besides the sun, I guess it's not that bad a job really. I get to hang out with this dude, take funny photos of him, watch patrols all day. Got a couple of them here, I suppose. Right, we've flipped over. I'm at the old warehouse in the shipping container in the office that I've somewhat built here. This is what I kind of do now. I go into a website called Neato. Neato manages inventory, the website, sales, and if you've ever spoken to Jess via email, she like manages all of that. Tells me what to do essentially. Prints me out, sends me a manifest. So twice a week, she sends me a list of stuff that I've got to send to people. I write out a new sticker. This is kind of a new system. David Jackson, something's come to you. So I print out that. I print out the shipping label, one of them, and then I go find the stock. So it's going to be in one of these other containers down here. And David, who I know, is about to get a roof rack ladder. Be interesting actually, because I don't think he's got a Dash roof rack, so he's going to modify it, I believe, to fit his Rhino rack. Now, find the stock. There's the ladders. I can't do this with one hand, so, or can I? No. I'll get that, take it down to the delivery container. Well, I can kind of do it with one hand. These ladders only weigh 8 kilos, so it's not that big a deal. I'm glad it wasn't like a full suspension kit that I decided to do this demo with. But essentially, now I walk down to the delivery container down here. Throw it in here, and there's a special password, so only the courier drivers can get in. Pop that up here. And I'll flip it around so you can see what I do. Essentially, basically put the sticker on, what's in there, the freight label, stick it on the front like all of these other ones, and then book the job to come in. They come on with their little passcode, punch in and pick up the freight, and then it goes out to the world. You can imagine this is all outside, so good weather today, not a problem. But some of the stock is like way down there, and it's not always light like that, and got to use a forklift. So if I could have everything in the one building, move it around with forklifts, not have to manhandle stuff in and out of containers, it's going to be so much easier and more efficient. So I'm looking forward to that. Now, that's just the Dash side. Then there's the DNA side. So SLAB party happening tonight. So Steve and the people that work in these businesses are going to come down, have a pizza and a beer. And then it's getting real. It's getting real exciting and busy. Ooh, what else is going out? Someone's getting some lucky part down here. They are back in stock. All right, far away.
I don't know if I'm strong enough to do this. I'm on this.
Cheers. Go. Go. Yay. Nice one. Right, we're up on the mezzanine, just looking down on the cars, working out hoist locations, all that sort of thing. We have worked out on the mezzanine that where I'm standing right now will be the bar. Pool table here somewhere, couches, that sort of thing. We're talking about the important stuff first, obviously. Got some pizzas rocking up soon. It's good to know some people with crane trucks. Imagine like the, Facebook Insta photos of builds that I can do from up here while all the action is happening. I'm pretty excited. Time to go home, sadly, because we've got a lot of cars to build tomorrow. But how good would the exhaust sound in this place? I am like planning for an exhaust video. It sounds so good. I wish you guys could hear like the crackle that's actually happening. Can I make that better? Bang! Alright, Steve-O's turn. Here he goes. Go on! This is all part of like the exhaust reviews, isn't it? I swear I popped a flame out of the back there. This is getting ridiculous. Alright, I'm going home. I'll see you guys next week. The new home of Dash.